Hello, in this demonstration I'm continuing with the theme of painting trees and light, but I've included figures in this painting as well, and it was important to get the figures reasonably accurate so that the gesture of the figures would be sufficiently descriptive of the people and recognizable to anyone who knew them. But I had to maintain a balance there between not going too far and painting unnecessary details. No reason to get eyes and things like that in this type of painting. You will also see how to incorporate more layers and textures to create a deep and rich sense of light in the trees, the foliage, and all the surrounding landscape elements. I haven't left anything to chance, and I put a lot more time into building up the level of information and texture. So you'll learn pretty much everything you need to know about capturing the impressionist approach and getting a loose and painterly effect to the landscape. You'll also learn how to correct some pretty significant errors as well. And I had that experience with this painting. So I'll show you how I went about that to rescue the painting and end up with a result that I was very pleased with. So this was an epic painting, you could say, even though it was relatively small. And although I've called it morning walk, it certainly wasn't a walk in the park, if you excuse the pun. It was quite a challenge, but one that I really enjoyed. I'm sure you'll get a lot out of this demonstration, information that you can use in your next painting. Enjoy it.